Hi there. Today, I'm going to show you why losing weight is actually easy. Yes, not just possible, but easy. Forget everything you've heard about motivation, willpower, and strict diets. This video isn't about suffering to get six-pack abs. It's about understanding what's really holding you back and removing it. No motivational fluff, just real, actionable steps. No filler, just the truth. You won't hear any magic pills or empty promises here. Just honest advice that actually works. I'll walk you through 3 simple steps that make losing weight not just doable, but unavoidable. And the best part? You can start today. No gym, no extreme diets. People cling to the myth that losing weight is hard because it's easier than actually doing something about it. If you're already interested, don't forget to like and subscribe. So let's get started. Reason number 1, your body is not the enemy. Many people mistakenly think that their own body is working against them, that somehow it sabotages their attempts to lose weight and prevents them from reaching their goals. But in reality, the body is not the enemy, it's your ally. It wants to help you shed extra weight and become healthier. All you need to do is stop overloading it with sugar, junk food, and snacks on the go. When you start giving your body proper nutrition and rest, it begins to work for you, not against you. This isn't a battle, it's a true collaboration, where you and your body move toward the same goal, health and lightness. Reason number 2, you overeat not because of food. The problem of overeating isn't always about the food itself. Often, it's connected to emotions we're trying to numb. You might eat when you feel tired, lonely, or anxious. Food becomes a kind of comfort substitute, a way to feel better for a short time. But this kind of substitution is a trap that stops you from losing weight and truly feeling good. The key is to learn how to recognize your emotions and understand when you're eating because you're hungry and when you're eating because of your feelings. Once you can separate emotions from the need for food, overeating will stop being a problem, and losing weight will become easier. Reason number 3, you're waiting for motivation. Motivation is a myth that often stops us from starting to change our lives. You might sit and wait for inspiration, the perfect mood, or the right moment. But the truth is, motivation rarely comes on its own. Start taking action, and inspiration will come later. The small steps you take every day add up and create huge results. You don't need to run a marathon right away or completely change your lifestyle overnight. Start small, just go for a walk, do a few exercises, or drink more water. These simple actions will gradually lead you to your big goal, feeling light and healthy. Do you know what all people who successfully lost weight and didn't gain it back have in common? It wasn't strict diets or harsh restrictions. They changed their habits instead of trying to be perfect. They learned to eat when they were truly hungry, not because of emotions or out of habit. They didn't set unreachable goals or beat themselves up over mistakes. Instead, they were honest with themselves and accepted their own journey. It's this honesty and flexibility that makes weight loss sustainable and long-lasting. It's not about perfection, it's about real changes that work. You're not lazy, believe me. You're just tired of fighting a battle that's not yours. You're wasting your energy on things that don't suit you and don't bring results. The truth is, you're a person who knows how to overcome difficulties and achieve goals. You've just forgotten for a while what you're capable of and how strong you really are. But this is only temporary. I'm here to help you remember your potential, to show you that losing weight isn't about harsh battles with yourself, but about the right steps and support. You can start again and you will succeed. Here are 3 simple steps you can start right now. Step 1. Remove from your home anything that triggers overeating. It's not just sweets and chips, it's the foods you eat even when you're not hungry, just out of boredom, stress, or habit. Soda, fast food, candy, cookies, anything that quickly sparks the urge to snack. The fewer temptations around, the easier it is to make the right choice. You won't waste energy fighting cravings because they simply won't be within reach. This approach will help you regain control over your eating without extra stress. It's not about restriction, but creating a comfortable environment for new healthy habits. Step 2. Take at least 10 minutes a day for a walk without your phone. Walking is one of the most underrated ways to lose weight. It lowers cortisol, the stress hormone that makes you crave sweets and eat emotionally. Just 10 minutes of movement in fresh air, and your body starts working with you, not against you. And yes, you can walk with headphones. Turn these walks into a moment just for you. Listen to inspiring stories, mindfulness practices, or books that give you strength. Step 3. Start journaling when and why you eat. This isn't just a food diary, it's a way to understand your true reasons. We often eat not because we're hungry, but because of emotions, tiredness, stress, boredom, or even joy. By writing down each meal and how you feel at that moment, you'll start to notice patterns and traps you didn't see before. It's not magic or some miracle, it's a practice of awareness and self-understanding. Your life and your body don't change through force and restriction, they change through choice. The choice to be mindful of yourself and your real needs. Just start journaling and the transformation will follow. The most important thing on this journey isn't the number on the scale. The most important thing is how you treat yourself and your body. You are not just a body, you are a conscious mind that can choose every single day. And right now, you have a choice to choose health, lightness, and freedom. Losing weight really is easy when you realize it's not a battle, but a partnership with yourself. But believing that letting go of fear and doubt, that's the real challenge. And you know what? You can rise to that challenge because the power to truly change is already within you. Make that choice and start living differently today. If you enjoyed this video and want even more simple, practical tips that actually work, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. That way, you won't miss new videos and can keep improving your life one step at a time with us. Thank you for watching till the end. Your support means a lot. See you in the next video.